Yeah, my first drone is like pretty broken. Hopefully gonna fix it soon. This was my second, and I was onto such a good thing with it, and it's just burnt to the ground mid-flight. Didn't even crash it, just completely caught fire. Alright, so since I've started doing this FPV stuff, it's been an absolutely wild ride, but nothing could have prepared me for what happened yesterday. I bought a Pavo Pico, like a little tiny whoop thing, because my bigger drone was broken. So I put my DJI 03 camera onto that little drone just to practice on while I was getting my other one fixed and all that. So yesterday, same thing again. I was like, cool, I'm gonna go take this out to like this big oval space, not many people around, gonna be super fun. Took it out, did like 3 or 4 batteries on it, and yeah, I was having heaps of fun. Like, ended up meeting this absolute legend of a guy down there who had these like styrofoam glider things. So he would take his glider out on a ride, then I would take my little drone on one, and then we'd go in rotation like that. These glider things were crazy. It's like a fan power inside of it, and he was flying the whole thing line of sight. Just, yeah, it was trippy to watch it. It's something that I would find very difficult, I think. I'd way rather have the FPV like camera in there to see from that angle. So anyway, I'm flying the Pavo Pico around, and same as usual, not doing anything crazy, not even accelerating that much, nothing to warrant anything going wrong. But all of a sudden I completely lose VTX, like the visual just goes, and I'm like, oh, that's a bit weird, like I'm not very far away from the remote or anything. So I kind of had the goggles still on, and I was like, oh, maybe it'll come back in a second and I'll just lift it off again and I'll just keep flying. But while I had the goggles on, I hear the guy next to me just like freaking out, just going, oh shit, oh shit. So I take the goggles off and he's just sprinting to my drone, and I can see it in the distance, just smoke pouring out of the drone, like proper, pretty like significant smoke. Like you could probably see it from halfway across the oval, was like kind of that high. And so I couldn't even believe what was happening. I didn't even think that it was my drone. I just didn't even make the connection. I was like, the hell? And then, yeah, things came together, quickly pulled the headset off, ran after him. He grabs the drone and he's like kind of looking at it. I don't know how he just grabbed it, but yeah, it was still on fire. And he pulls the battery out, and then it kind of smolders down again, like it kind of just goes. But yeah, that's what happened. The drone just caught fire. I haven't diagnosed any of it yet. I'm planning to do that pretty much right now. Yeah, it was cold weather. The 03 wasn't hot or anything. I wasn't flying heaps. I even had breaks in between flying. Yeah, this is a total wig out. I'm so glad that the guy that I met just happened to be there, and that he really like took control of the situation. He even later on was like looking at the battery, and he's like, the battery's totally fine. He plugged it into like a connector that just tests that it has voltage or whatever, and it did, and it literally has like no damage on the battery. Yeah, after it happened yesterday, I actually went onto Google and just searched burnt Pavo Pico, and there was actually a lot of people that have had the same thing happen. It was pretty crazy. At least like 5 other accounts that had posted about it had this happen. So I'd love to know what you guys think happened, whether you think it's a fault in the drone or if it's something that I was doing. The batteries are like the same size. I've flown it with those batteries before with no issues as well, so I really don't think it was that. I'm gonna send an email to Beta FPV today and just see what they can do, because I'd really like another Pavo Pico because it's such a cool drone. The other thing I haven't done yet is test whether the 03 works, because if the 03 has failed, then that's actually a lot of money that I've lost, and that's going to be pretty devastating. 03 looks to be in pretty okay condition. It just depends whether it got sent some big jolt of electricity into it and that's fried it, but we're going to check that in a little bit. The whole flight controller, this is all scorched, completely scorched. All these insides through here, totally done. Alright, so let's swap the 03 over to my Gep RC again and see if I've totally lost the 03 as well. focus is not making me feel too happy either. This is the bottom of the 03. There's all this sticky residue stuff on it. See what happens. If this doesn't work, I've lost the whole O2 from just the Pavo Pico burning. Okay, the light's on the 03, so that's a good sign. Oh, we got picture. Yes. Oh. Yes, the 03 is totally fine. Oh my god. What a relief. It's the only thing I was really concerned about because the Pavo Pico was like, I bought it for like 100 Aussie dollars, whereas this 03 is worth like 300-400 Aussie dollars, so it's working fine. It survived a fire. Huge ups to DJI for that, man. Such an incredible brand. I always back DJI so hard. Yeah, 03 survived. Literally, it had char all over. It was in a fire yesterday. It's working totally fine. Look at this. There's us. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now.